Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hopefully, you all must be doing well at home. And students, this particular video lecture is delivered to you by Faiza Habib, Senior SST. And today we are going to discuss about the use of articles in this video. Students, as you people must be knowing very well that articles are a subclass of determiners which determine or specify the noun that follows. And you can say that these are sufficient enough to tell you about the situation of noun and whether it is countable, uncountable, and whether you are talking about something in a general way or in some specific way. All these are, that's why these words like a, and the, these three words are called the articles, or in other words, these are the determiners that tells you about the situation of noun. But students, let us see that these articles, they are having two main kinds, like the indefinite articles and the definite articles. Now, the indefinite articles refers to a noun in a general way without making it definite or particular. Students, you can say that these articles, the indefinite articles like a and an, both of these words, these are called indefinite articles because they talk about something that the listeners don't know. You must not have been having the knowledge about the thing about which these articles, these two articles are referring to. So suppose I'm giving you an example, like students, when I say give me a knife, a knife means any knife. I'm not talking about a particular knife, okay? And there is another kind, students, that is called the definite article. Now the word the is used as the definite article. Why? First of all, let us see the definition of the definite article. It makes the noun definite or particular. It means that whenever you make use of this article, the definite article the, it means because the listener knows about the person or thing you are referring to. It means that you are really very much familiar with the noun, with that noun already, with which this particular article the has been used. So you are familiar with that noun. And now let us see that how we make use of these two articles like a and the. Okay, students, as far as articles a, and the are concerned, there are some specific rules to be followed while making use of these articles. Number one is that always use a before a consonant sound, and always use an before a vowel sound. Now what I am putting an emphasis on is the sounds, the consonant sounds and the vowel sounds. This is to be remembered, and this should be put an emphasis on, students, because now first of all you must know it very well that what is the difference between the vowels and consonant sounds. Students, in English you should know it very well, and since the time you have been studying about the English language, you will be knowing that vowels are the 5 words like a, I, o, u. These 5 words, like in simple words, like मैंने अभी आपको sounds बोली हैं, I am going to tell you about these words like a, e, I, o, u, but sounds like a, I, o, u. These are the 5 words that are called the vowels. And then students, there are the rest of the other alphabets in English. These are called the consonants. Now students, you will have to see, first of all, see the example on your screens: a cat, a dog, a boy, a girl, a house, a tree. Now students, see that the word, the article a, has been used with all the consonant sounds like k, cat, d, dog, b, boy, g, girl, h, house, and then t, tree. So these are the consonant sounds. and along with them we are bound to make use of the article a. Then, as I have already told you, that an will be used with the vowels, and vowel sounds, with the vowel sounds you will have to make use of an. So an apple, an engineer, an ice cream, an old man, an umbrella. Now you see, the sounds are apple, engineer, an, a sound, ice cream, old man, and umbrella. So these are the 5 different vowel sounds that along with we are bound to make use of the article an. Now you can see over here that the gaps have been filled with the articles a and an. Now you can see an elephant, a car, a teacher, an onion, a spinach omelette, an interesting story, a university, a European tour, an hour, and MA in English. Now students, when you have gone through this slide, hasn't you been confused? That ma'am is telling us that with all the consonant sounds we are supposed to make use of a, and with all the vowel sounds we will have to make use of an. But over here you can see that these, along with these vowels, if you are going to say that these are only the vowels, I am not talking about the vowel sounds over here. These are just vowels. University, but instead of making use of an with the university, I have made use of a with the university. Then again, in European tour, over here you can see that E is basically a vowel, but I have made use of a with it. Then hour, H is basically a consonant, but I have made use of an with it. And then MA in English, MA. This is basically a consonant word, but I have made use of an with it. So students, this is a bit confusing. This can be a bit confusing for the students. But now I am going to give you a tip to see that what actually we are supposed to make use of whenever such kind of things are there. Now, why I have used? Students, I have made use of these words because university is basically, though it is a vowel U, it is going to be started from the vowel U, but still it is giving you the sound of y. University. University means that it is giving you the sound of y, and y is a consonant sound. It is a consonant sound. So U, though, is a vowel, but giving a consonant sound. So that is why because of its consonant sound, I am going to make use of a with it. Then European tour. Students, E with the combination of U gives the sound of y. You can check it in dictionary as well. E along with the combination of U, that gives you the y sound. So European tour, European. So y sound, because of y sound, though E is a vowel, but I am going to make use of article a with it. An hour. Now students, you see, suppose students often pronounce it really wrong like an hour. It is not an hour, it is an hour. So H becomes silent, though H is a consonant word, but when it becomes silent, we just speak it like an hour. So hour, because of this hour and vowel sound, we are supposed to make use of an along with the article an behind it. Then students, come on to this example, like an MA in English. MA. So MA, basically a consonant word, but when I say MA, so what is the sound? M, EM, MA. So because of this vowel sound, I am making use of an with it. Okay? Hopefully you must have understood this rule. Come on to the rule number 2. Use a or an only with countable nouns. Now students, you can see a big list of countable nouns and then uncountable nouns. Students, you can only make use of the articles a and an. These you can only make these articles like a and an with countable nouns. Okay. Now you can see that an elephant, a car, a teacher, an onion, a spinach omelette, an interesting story, a university, a European tour, an hour, an MA in English. All these are the words that are called countable nouns. Okay. But then there are some words which are uncountable. So with uncountable nouns, you can never use a and an. So another rule number 2 has become clear to us, that we will only make use of a or an with the countable nouns. Okay. Then use rule number 2 is that we will make use of these two articles a and an with the countable nouns. Okay. Come on to the next one. Identify the errors now. Now students, you can see a cell phone, an easy question, an orange shirts, a pretty woman, a happiness, a water, a table, an idea, a doctor's, an advice. Students, these 10 words have been given to you, and you have made down you have made use of these articles along with them. Now I am going to make you clear that what are the errors that I have made here. See students, these are the words. On third number I can see orange shirts. Orange shirts is basically a plural, so that is why I am not going to make use of an with it. Okay. Then number 5, happiness. Happiness is again an uncountable noun. You cannot say that I have 5 happiness, I have 6 happiness. So this is very wrong. So that is why a happiness is no word. It is very wrong. That makes no sense. Then water. With water, because it is uncountable noun, so that is why the article a and an can never be used with it. Okay. Then comes on 9 number, that comes the doctors. How can you make use of this article a with the plural one? Doctors is the word that is a plural, and you cannot make use of a with it. So it's a wrong. On 10 number you can see an advice. It means that advice, the word advice is uncountable noun, and you cannot make use of the word an with it. Then comes rule number 3. Students, while learning this particular rule, you will have to remember 2 things, 2 points. Number 1, use a or an to talk about a person or thing unknown to your listener. And number 2 is use the to talk about a person or thing known to your listener. Now students, as I have already told you, that these are basically the definite and indefinite articles, and these definite and indefinite articles like a, an, and the, their usage that makes the difference. So over here students, you can see my sister has 2 computers, a PC and a laptop. The PC is quite old, but the laptop is brand new. Over here students, you can see that I am talking about that PC and that laptop which my sister is having. So when the other person, they were not familiar to these PC and laptop, so that's why I was making use of the word a, the article a for them. So what I have written down, my sister has 2 computers, a PC and a laptop. Now the listener, he or she must have been becoming the familiar with these PC and laptop which my sister is having. So now I can make use of the word article like the PC is quite old, but the laptop is brand new. Now it means that this PC and now the other person, the other listener, he or she has become familiar to the PC and laptop about which I am talking about. So the word the I can use about it. Number 2 point is I planted a tree in my garden last year. Now students, when I have not introduced this particular information about the tree that has been planted in my garden, then you people were not familiar with this tree. So that is why I have made use of the article a over here. So I have said I planted a tree in my garden last year. But now you people have become more familiar with this tree that has been planted last year in my garden. So that is why now, just because of your familiarity, just because you have become this particular tree has become known to you, so that is why I am over here making use of the word the for this tree. So what I am saying, the tree has now grown big. The tree about which I am talking, that has been planted last year in my garden. Next, I planted four or some trees in my garden last year. The trees have now grown big. So now students, you must have understood that you will not be able to make use of the word the until and unless the listener has not become familiar to about that object, about that noun. Now come on to the rule number 4. Use a or an to talk about non-specific things or people. Now students, do you have a pencil? Now it must be like a person must have been asking to the other person about a pencil because he wants to write something. So that is why I am asking from you that do you have a pencil? I am not talking about some specific pencil. So what I am saying, do you have a pencil? Any pencil. But when I say, do you have the pencil that Kathy gave you? It means that now I am talking about that specific pencil that Kathy has given to you. So that is why you are supposed to make use of the articles a or an while talking about the non-specific things or people. So come on to the second number. I want to buy an apartment. It means that I want to buy any apartment. It means that I must be looking for some apartments. But when I say I want to buy the apartment that we visited, it means that I am going to specify that particular apartment that I have visited in order to, because I must have been interested in buying that. Come on to the third example. If you are feeling sick, you should go and see a doctor. It means that whenever your friend is feeling sickness, you must be you can advise him or her to go to the doctor. But when she comes back and you asks her, what did the doctor say? Now over here, you will not say like that, what did a doctor say? You will say, now you are talking about a specific doctor to whom she has visited. So that is why now about this specific doctor you are asking the question. So that is why you will have to make use of the article the over here. Now students, come on to the rule number 5. It is you use a or an to mention the category or type of a person. Over here students, you can see the example. My car is a 2011 Ford Fusion. You can use your TV as a laptop monitor. Jim's daughter is an intelligent girl. I would like to become a member of your library. I am a teacher and he worked as a cashier for 2 years. Now over here students, see the examples very carefully. In the very first example, you can see that I am talking about a specific brand, a specific name of I am talking about a specific model of the car. So for a specific model of the car, I am going to make use of because this whole Ford Fusion, that is going to represent the whole company, the whole model. So that is why I am making use of the article a. Over here, come on to the next example. You can use your TV as a laptop monitor. Over here students, laptop monitor is a scientific gadget that is representing the whole monitors or the whole laptop monitors. So your TV is specifically going to be used as a laptop monitor. So that's why you are going to make use of the article a with it. Come on to the third example. Jim's daughter is an intelligent girl. So over here, this intelligence is the basically quality or characteristic of that girl. So that is why we are going to make use of, specifically we are going to make use of the word, the article an with this noun. I would like to become a member of your library. Over here, students, member of your library means that you are going to belong a specific category, and that is that category, which that category is, that you want to become the member of your member of the library. I am a teacher. It means that being a teacher, you are going to represent the whole profession of teaching. So that's why the whole profession of teaching, the whole type of person, the whole category of teachers, the whole a big lot of profession. So that is why I am representing those that category. So that's why I am making use of, in order to represent that category, I am making use of the word or the article a. He worked as a cashier for 2 years. It means that the cashier again is showing the category of some person. So that is why, for that matter, I have made use of the word article a with it. Now students, it's rule number 6. Generalize with plural or uncountable nouns with no article. Over here, students, you will see that there are some nouns with which you can never you cannot use any article. But a, an or the with a singular countable noun to mean every single one. But when you are going to make use of these articles like a, an and the, it means that you are going to generalize the whole concept. Like, teachers should be friendly to students. Now, when you say a teacher should be friendly to his or her students, it means that over here you can see that you are having two nouns in this sentence, teachers and students. But when you say a teacher should be friendly to his or her students, it means that you are going to generalize the whole lot of teachers, the whole class of teachers. So that is why a teacher, it means that every teacher should be friendly to every student of his or her own. Come on to the second example, that is dolphins are very intelligent. And when you say the dolphin is a very intelligent animal, it means that you are going to generalize the whole lot of dolphins. So that is why, while making use of the article the, you are going to generalize this plural noun. Okay, then I don't enjoy watching horror movies. Now, you will never say like this, I don't enjoy watching horror movies. Okay, so that is why, again, come on to the next example. Does Pablo like coffee? Exercise is good for health, and then education is very important in life. So with these nouns, you are not supposed to making use of any article like a, an or the, because they generalize these are the words like exercise, health, education and life. All these are the words that are giving you a generalized meaning. Here comes the rule number 7. Over here you can see, use no article in these situations. Like proper nouns, names of people and places. With the names of people and places, you will not make use of any articles. Like Zara, Steve, Syed, Lisa. Along with these names, you are not going to make use of any article. Again, with the names of places like New York, Japan, Australia, Lahore, you are not going to make use of any article with these places, name of places. But on third number, you can see, girls, that over here I have written down the United States, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, the West Indies, the Himalayas, the Middle East. Over here, students, you can see that these are also the names of places, but I have made use of the article the with them. Why? Because there are some specific places, the names of some countries, with them the article the has become the part and parcel of their name. So you can never use it like only West Indies. You can never say it only Netherlands. There'll be, you will, if you are going to pronounce the name of the United Kingdom, you will have to say the whole name, the United Kingdom. Okay. Come on to the second number point, names of games and languages. Over here you can see that along with the names of games and languages, you will not be able to make use of any article like chess, badminton, golf, cricket, tennis. Along with these games, you are not supposed to make use of any article. Again, the French, Spanish, Arabic, English, Urdu, or with all these languages names, you are not supposed to make use of any article. Then students, there are some fixed expressions like at home, at work, go to bed, school, college, university, travel, by bus, by car, by plane, by train, at noon, at night, or on Sunday. You can never say like that, on the Sunday, on the Monday. You will not say like that. Or you can never say like travel by the bus, travel by the car. It will be considered totally wrong. Then you can never say like at home, at the school, at the college, at the university. So it will be considered as completely wrong. So you are not supposed to make use of any article and or the along with these words. Now students, as far as these things are concerned, what I will suggest you that you are supposed to little bit memorize all these rules. So that's why that will become all the more easy for you to make use of these articles. Then students, fill in the gaps with a, an, and the, or no articles. Over here students, you can see that I have given you an exercise, and this particular exercise will is sufficient enough to tell you that whether you have what you have understood about the use of articles a, an, and the. So that's why I think that first of all, very honestly, you will have to write it down on your copies, and then without making use of these articles. I have written down these articles for you people so that you might be able to compare your answers with these answers. So very honestly, you are supposed to write down these sentences on your copy, and then fill the gaps, and then compare both the answers so that you might be able to know about the correct answers of yours. Okay, thank you very much students. I hope you must have understood about all these articles, and hopefully you have understood. And if you find any sort of problem, you can ask me, and you can call me on my WhatsApp. You can send me message as well, and hopefully it will be very beneficial. This video is going to be proved to be very beneficial for you people in order to understand the correct use of the articles. Okay, thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.